nice down material. Make sure I clean this up. And papa tree still living inside of this place. It's like you don't want to die. Because the tree is getting a little sunshine. The roots are set proper. Yeah. Aye. 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 Oh, I didn't. I understand. See me have me nice mango nursery right here coming up. These are all common mango suckers, and some are 1 and 2 pair. You'll see 1 and 2 pair, but as you see, about everyone catch, every single one. And then I was trying to figure out these things here, pepper, and guess what? Every bud have a pepper in it. I can't believe it, but you see, like something biting them, eating the leaves already. Yeah, lot of pepper catch family. I'm talking about, look here, these are all peppers. So one of the mission is to transplant these peppers. See, these are peppers. See, something eat off me. Pear thing right there. So. But these are all peppers. This is the mango, the top one, the tall one, the small one, pepper. That little one right there look like a plant, it look a herb seed or something. But something is eating off my pear leaf them. Look at this now. These are all peppers right here. Sorry about that. All peppers. These little thing here. So I'm gonna have to transplant them now because they're big. Now look at this glorious, glorious bunch right here. This is all pepper. Again. A glorious, glorious, splendid setup. All I did was I stuck. You see, these 2 pots right here didn't get. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. All of them over here say, okay, here's the pear, look like it's popping up. Well, late bloomers or something. But and this is my joy right here. So what I'll do, I'll transplant them out. I'll find out the best way to do it. But I got hundreds and hundreds. No, not even. Well, I probably have hundreds of pepper sucker, bro. Look at this. This one probably have a couple, about a 50. This one probably have a 50. This one will probably have another 50. A lot of pepper. And believe it or not, I think they must Scotch bonnet, because it can't be purple pepper. It must be Scotch bonnet. So people from all around, I'm glad you came in town. Crocus Bag Farmer factory is up. It's running. We're doing the good work, people. We're continuing the mission. So the mission is real. As real as you can feel. It's my first day up, and I have to try to make sure I go clean up the place now. I say people. So sometimes you're gonna see me on the film, sometimes you're not. Sometimes I go sound skinny and sometimes I look fat, depending on what I'm doing, what you got. So I go inside of the building right here, so now see what I go on and what I go on, because it's been September since I had one left, I say. Yeah, in September. So I came up last night and I was here opening this door. Could I? No. Yeah. Just come back from farming. Everything fruitful, nothing is barren. Alright. When I put video, when I just come in to see how the place is, I could always look back at it and know everything missing. So far, so Hollywood. I think it's so good. I want to remember use. I'm going to use some hose later on. Cleaning is there. Alright. I'm going to serve here up now. I can't do much in here, so so I have to serve here. Up the thing. Remove up some things. And see if we can Evaluate the things. But one of the mission people is to clear out this entire room. I want this room empty. Yeah, man. I'll put it outside where. Let me just show you. Look around. See it there. Remember this mission, family? How I redid this window. Excellent. Like some rat come in here and spread out all of my thing them. And yam up. All of my thing them like I bite. You see? Look at. Why them yam out everything. That Uncle Fool. I got him beat up in blouse and skirt and kill him. Yeah. Beat me or beat him and kill him. Alright. Thing get darker now family, so I'll do another thing. I'm gonna do right now is grab the whopper and head forward down my yard because no one waste no time right now. I want to go do some work, okay? Alright, family people, thanks for sticking with me. I'll go sort out the thing and get you more inclined. Bless up yourself.